are the top reasons why people don't actually invest in real estate? I'm probably going to touch a nerve while I'm speaking on this topic because I'm sure that one of these reasons actually applies to you. So, the first reason is that you feel like you don't have enough money. So, there are many ways that you can actually invest in real estate without actually owning the property. Number one, you can either wholesale, you can either actually paper flip the properties, which is the same thing in essence as wholesaling. You can actually live in the property while on one side while you rent out the other. So there's all various different ways that you can actually invest in real estate. And on my upcoming classes, you'll have the opportunity to be able to learn more about investing and doing anything that you're interested in doing in real estate. The second reason why a lot of people don't actually start investing in real estate is because they don't actually have all the information. And I'm sure you've heard it before, analysis paralysis. People think that, oh, I don't really know about real estate. You actually have to start somewhere. So you need to actually start looking at YouTube videos, go to training classes. There's all sorts of information that you can actually use. There's really no excuse as to why you cannot find out all of the information that you want to know about real estate. Not just real estate, but anything that you may be interested in, whether it's doing hair, whether it's doing makeup. There's just a wealth of knowledge that's out there that's just waiting for someone to tap into it. With the onset of technology the way it is, AI, everything that we have in terms of technology, it's right at our fingertips. So no excuse. The next thing, and probably the most important thing, is going to be fear. Fear of the unknown. What if it doesn't work out? What if it doesn't do this or that? What if, what if, what if? Well, you're not going to be in a worse case than what you are now, which is not investing in real estate. So what's the worst that can happen? You own a property that you can actually sell later. You own a property that you can actually rent out. You own a property that you can actually flip. So there's ways out of actually investing in real estate. So you have to overcome your fear. You have to get out of your own mind. You have to think positively. You have to do the research. You have to save your money. You have to do whatever is necessary in order to get you to the next step. And again, that's not just speaking on real estate. That's on anything that you may actually have interest in doing. So take your time, get your mental together, sign up for my upcoming classes, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.